Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's that time of year and we have this unboxing from Uniqlo again. This is an order from the Uniqlo U collection that they just released in US. Every year I think they did this collaboration with the designer Lemaire, like maybe twice a year. The designer has his own brand. This is probably not exactly like what you would find on Lemaire's brand, but I think it's kind of the essence of it because Uniqlo usually focus more on the basic pieces, so the quality will be higher usually and the price point for this collection is usually higher as well. And from what I noticed comparing the pricing in Japan, it seems Uniqlo did price it higher this time for the US market. Unfortunately, we do have to pay more. Unless you are able to travel to Japan now, just buy it there. But I heard some of the items are sold out in Japan as well. Something a little bit more interesting for me for this collection is, you know how brands has been pushing for more gender neutral clothing? And for this collection, you can see that many of their clothing is kind of interchangeable for men's and women depending on your body shape. So for this order, I have ordered a couple items from the women's collection. Something is challenging is the sizing because other than converting women's sizing to men's sizing, you also have to consider that Lemaire usually design this kind of clothes that has a little bit oversized look to it. So to compensate the oversized look, I'm not sure that I ordered the correct size. But let's see if they fit. If not, I will have to take a trip into the town to return some of it. First thing I can see is this Lambswool cardigan from the women's section. Let me put down my X-Acto knife because sometimes you guys say that nervous about seeing me carrying this knife. So this is the look of it. I like the texture, as you can see, the rib texture that on this lambswool sweater is really interesting and create kind of good visual. The reason I decided to order from women's collection instead of men's because for men's collection they have something very similar without the front pocket. The reason I order it from the women's collection because I want to get something more boxy cut. So usually I wear size medium when I order from Uniqlo, and by looking at the picture I do feel like the clothes look big on the model. So even though this is from the women's collection, I also order size medium. It does look a little short. I'll have to try it on and see how it looks. If it doesn't fit, then I may have to return this one. Hopefully it fits because I do like the design and the quality is quite good. So it's worth the price if you like this kind of design. Let's put this aside. Second item that came out of this box is this Chino pants from men's collection. Last year I did get a pair of pants from this collection. I did like that the cotton material they use, it feels thicker and more substantial. It feels like the pants can last longer. So for this pair of pants, it has pleats on the front, and then here is the back pockets. Interesting back pocket with the hidden button closure here, so that you don't see the button on the top of this flap. From what I see, these pants is now sold out on their website. I was surprised because it does look like a regular chino pants, but maybe for US market, people are more into regular items that you could wear every day instead of something that look too unique that's hard to match with other outfits. It looks pretty good. I'm sure this one will fit because this one is from men's collection and just my regular size. Let's see. The last item is their U tailor coat from women's collection. For this one, I originally put size M in my shopping cart, but decided to go with size large instead. I figured with coat, even though it is slightly bigger, I do like that kind of oversized look, so hopefully this one actually fit me. It's quite heavy. Let me put the box away. Wow, taking this out immediately I could feel the weight of this coat. I believe it's wool blend material. It does feel pretty thick, not itchy at all. It seems that it has some slight padding on the shoulder. I'm really excited with this one. It looks more gray right now under this lighting. I thought it would look more like dark brown color, but it looks more gray under this lighting. I'll have to try it on. I'm sure this one is big enough for me. Hopefully it's not too big because I'm surprised to see how big this one is compared to the cardigan. I ordered size M, but the cardigan seems a lot smaller. So now I'm going to try it on and see if they fit, and I'll let you know how it feels. Thanks for joining me for today's Uniqlo U collection unboxing. I'm sure after trying out this clothing, I would want more pieces from this collection because the quality does feel really good. Compared to regular Uniqlo clothing, they do feel a little bit better. Hopefully, they will still have my size in stock, and now it's time for me to go shop for more stuff. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!